Hey everyone, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an LED projector. So we're gonna check this thing out here and see how it is. It says it does 1080p, so I don't know. Let's see how it works. We'll open it up together and check it out. So let's see what else in here. Box empty. Here's a manual for it. We've got these two things here. I'm guessing this is the projector right here. Pretty small. Look at that. How cute is that? Super cute, small. And then let's see here. This is everything. So we have remote control. This is an HDMI cable. We have the plug, which is why I'm sitting over here on the floor so we can try it out and plug it in. And then we have the RCA cables to a what is that called? I don't know, 3.5mm plug kind of thing, you know. And then got three. So, and then we have a HDMI. I don't know. This is like some sort of HDMI extender or something. I don't know why you would need this really. Let me see what that is here. It's weird. It's HDMI female and HDMI male. I don't know. Let's check all this stuff out. Let's see what it does. So here's the projector here. Guess we're gonna have to plug it in and give it a try. Probably gonna have to read some instructions here shortly, but let's see what we got in the meantime. Here we are, plugged in, and then we will plug it into the side here. Looks like it's got a bunch of different inputs. You can see here it's got the DC in. This is going to be the HDMI in. It's got a USB, AV cable, and headphones. And then on the back we have a 5-volt, 2-amp. I don't know what that one's for. Maybe it'll run off of that as well. Let's see. Let's give this thing a try. See how it works. So it's there, and then let's see. I guess this is going to be the power button. Okay, time to read the instructions and figure it out. Oh, nope, there it is. It's on. It says Kolexa projector, and then I'm gonna guess this here is the. Look at that. That looks pretty good. I go back here. Let's see if I go that far out. Look at that. That's going to be a nice big picture. Actually, I could probably, no, it's not big enough to put it on there. So let's just put it right there. So there we go. Let's move you guys up here so you can see what it is here. I'm going to guess I need some batteries. I need some AAAs. I'll be right back. I'm back with the AAAs. So let's put them in there. Remote. And then we should be able to connect up. Now, let's see, English. Yes. Okay, so we can do movie, music, picture, mirroring. If you want to do mirroring, what does that do? Okay, so an iOS screen. I have an iPad, so let's try it with the iOS screen. Okay, so now we have to connect up to that Wi-Fi. So let's see if we can do that here. Settings. Wi-Fi, and let's see if it works. Oh, and there it is. There's my screen. Here, let me get out of this. So now, if I was to look at, well, not that, but if I was to go to, like, let's see, what's something I can do? I don't know what I can do. I'm not on a Wi-Fi, so I can't really watch a movie or anything, so that's going to be interesting to see. There we go. Kind of moved away here. So, but it's pretty cool. We can see it. I guess I would have to download a movie on here. Let me see if I have something in here. Photos. So here, this would be me. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to turn off the light and see if it makes a difference. Huge difference. Look how awesome that is. That's a great picture. okay, I figured out a better way to connect. So I could connect directly to Wi-Fi to the projector, and that would work, right? So I could do that, but then I don't have internet access. But what I found is on the projector itself, we can go into the settings, into, no, not system settings, back, let me exit all this stuff here. We go into the settings in here, and we go into sync screen settings here, and then we go into our Wi-Fi, and then we just get on our local network. So I got on my network. My network's just called Spectrum Setup. We never reset it. So we got onto that network, and then when I go into my iOS screen settings, it says connect to Spectrum Setup. Now we just finish the words, but once I connect to the same one, then I can do the screen mirroring. So I can just do screen mirroring on my iPad by just clicking that, connect up to it, and then it's going to mirror from my iPad to the same one there. So now I'm actually, if I look, I'm on there right now. So there, so I can do that. So I can go back to my, Rappaport videos.
Here are 3 tips to becoming a pro player in Raid Shadow.
Well, there's an ad. But what's cool about it is, so now I'm connected up to there, and the sound goes through the projector, and everything works. So it's all super cool. So now I have sound on my projector, my video going to my wall real big, and it's shooting from my iPad that's connected to the internet. So I mean, how cool is that? So this is the projector here. It has a mount like this. Is one of those tripod ones. So you put it on a tripod. You can hang it upside down from the ceiling, and if you do that, then you would want to invert the picture. So you have all those different options, and just how cool is that? I mean, it's just such a neat little projector, and then you've got your focus with that. So once you got it set up where you want it, you got it there. So I'm gonna just try watching a movie on here tonight and see what happens. And how cool is that? I just want to say one other thing. I got it connected up to a little battery pack I have, and look, it works. So I just connected up into the little USB port there, and I can do everything remote. So I could just take this on the go, take it camping, whatever, and be watching movies while we're out in the middle of nowhere. So super awesome. Just super like it. So super cool, and the power is right there. So thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.